नहीं, खलील को बिल्कुल पूरी शाबाशी मिलनी चाहिए, जिस तरीके से उसने बॉल डाली। पहला मैच हर एक प्लेयर के लिए बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है, एक नर्वसनेस रहती है, प्रेशर रहता है कि सबका सपना होता है, स्पेशली इंडियन क्रिकेटर बचपन से ही होता है कि भाई इंडिया खेलनी है, और जब पहला मौका मिलता है उसका अलग प्रेशर रहता है, और अच्छा कर दो उसमें तो बहुत खुशी मिलती है। एंड उस लड़के ने बहुत अच्छा किया है, उसके पास स्किल है, एंड आई होप कि वो अपनी स्किल का पूरा इस्तेमाल करे और वक्त के साथ, एक्सपीरियंस के साथ ज़रूर और समझदार हो जाएगा। एंड यप, मैं भी खुश हूँ कि भाई अब वापस फॉर्म क्या, बैटिंग तो तब भी मैं अच्छी कर रहा था पर रन नहीं बन रहे थे, तो मैं ऐसा नहीं समझता कि फॉर्म आती जाती रहती है, मेरे बस रन नहीं हो रहे थे, तो रन हो गए तो अच्छी बात। Not really. We knew that once we get the top order wickets, then we can come back in the game. And of course, they gave a decent fight, and it's always good to learn, uh, from every match. And of course, we guys have come from England, so we guys got used to the heat over here, and lots of things matters. Pitches were different now. Bowlers coming, as I said, that few of our bowlers haven't played much matches, so it's good that we played this game, and even we felt pressure. So tomorrow it's going to be a big pressure game, so that pressure will actually help tomorrow. Even we didn't expect it that they're gonna score, 174 run partnership, but they played well, and of course we could have been more consistent in our bowling. But we have to give credit to their batsmen. They both opening batsmen played really well, and the way they played their shots and the way they were calculative about scoring runs, it was good, and I have to appreciate their good batting as well. See, of course, the ideal position will be to have a break and then play. We all are humans, so we get tired as well. But at the same time, we are quite strong enough, and it's mind over matter. And once we come tomorrow, of course, it's a big game, and we all gonna be positive and strong. Even from mental aspect wise, we'll be positive that it doesn't matter if we played. So these things come and go, so we are all right.